And the water, I have a riddle for you.
Okay.
Why does the dinosaur sleep in the road?
In the road? Why?
Because he was dead. When he got eaten by a big dinosaur. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. With Life and Alex and Billy.
Today we are going to make a slime video. Let's get messy. Now we're going to put the glue in and start making the slime. That's a lot of glue.
I know. So do you guys know what color you want for your...
Well, let me start.
I want dark blue.
You want dark blue?
Yeah, just dark blue.
Just dark blue?
Now I have poured in the glue. We are going to put the food coloring into the glue so we can get our favorite color in the slime.
What color do you have there?
I have dark blue.
It looks like yellow, but it's orange.
Just squeeze it a little bit until you see a couple drops come out.
Let's start with that drop.
I think you can put a little bit more.
I'm gonna start with that drop.
You want dark blue?
Yeah. Oh!
That's good enough.
Ooh, looks really blue now. Look at mine.
Ooh,
You gotta keep stirring it.
I know.
let's get messy.
Sandra, look at mine.
It looks like a sunset.
Mine's
It's more yellow than I ever imagined.
So you can add more of the coloring because now you're yellow. You can add a few drops more to get a darker color. Or you can add some red.
To get orange?
look at mine.
Yeah, it's actually yellow. 2. That's
It's
good
alright.
enough.
You're not gonna get in there with your hands?
No. I'm gonna get orange.
I don't want the orange.
Whoa, look at these colors.
Look at my colors. They're so
It just
cute.
started to get red somehow.
I know.
We finished, mixing the glue together with our food coloring. Now we're going to add the activator.
Looks like William is ahead of everybody. Okay, come, let's do this.
Looks like a house color.
Mix it up, buddy. Let me see yours. And then you tell me
Can I get my chopstick?
if you want more. Use your hand. You're already in there with your hands. Mix it up with your hands.
Oh, it's making a gray kind of ish color. Oh, that's a lot of work.
So go with your hands. You'll see. It'll be easier. Give me the chopsticks. We're gonna get dirty now. We're gonna get messy.
No,
Look, William is doing it.
because he's a little, he likes to get crazy.
All right, are we ready for the secret ingredient or?
Yes.
What is that?
You have to mix it.
Oh my God,
Mix it in.
please, can I have some? It's outside of the bowl. And it looks good.
It looks like a worm.
Get out of there. So that's how Mama made it fluffy.
It kind of looks like we're in the ocean with yours.
Kind of looks like whipped cream.
Mine just popped out like a bubble.
Whoa, that's so cool, William.
Can I eat this? Like the white part?
I don't think you can, no.
It looks like whipped cream.
Actually, no, I don't think. You cannot eat it.
Oh, it's not
It
edible.
looks like teal now.
Look at
Do
this.
you want some more of that?
Yeah.
Look at the color,
Look at
Mommy.
I did. You gotta mix it in. Yeah.
It's a lot of coloring.
I think it's easier if you use your hands.
No.
Is it
You want?
me?
It's easier for you?
Yeah. Ooh.
It looks
Mama,
what are you doing, William?
Mama, put some more. Ooh, Dewey. Oh, hello. Hello, I could see you. Oh, baby.
I mean, just look at this. Ooh, that's getting.
Yeah. No, what?
Look at this. I'm praying.
You got red.
I'm a monster. If you do this and put your hand like this, it's gonna come off.
Is it getting more tacky or is it getting softer?
I don't know. Like,
It's getting more softer for me because I'm doing more faster.
Okay.
oh, that's how you want to do it.
It's a mess over there.
Over there by William.
Don't let me. Cassandra.
Okay. Just look at this. It's the
Color.
The slime is working. It's coming off me. That means it's almost done and it's almost ready to be used. To play with.
After many,
Hours.
no. After many tries with the activator, we finally got the slime
To work.
at the right consistency we wanted.
Why it sounds very fluffy now.
You like that?
When is it gonna be fluffy?
It's kind of fluffy there.
Oh my gosh, I can get it off.
We can add a little bit more
No!
so it's fluffy, but I think this is nice, right? We're gonna get the slime off of your hands.
I did it. I got it off from my hand. Now I've got to get it off from my other hand. Somehow.
Look
like
at that. You're all clean.
Aww.
Look. How cool is that?
Oh, that's better. Just gotta clap.
Is that fun?
Sandra, look at this.
And I'm still.
Whoa. You have like the perfect slime there.
I know.
Me too.
Yes, you too.
And chop this towards it off.
Your slime looks like what we would find in outer space that comes out of aliens.
No Orby. For that.
This is so cool.
I see an Orby in there.
I know. The mystery is, can you find it?
Yay! Can I do it now?
No.
Just saw it.
I don't want to give this back to you. This is so much fun. I hijacked the kids' video.
Now can I find the Orbeez?
Oh, look at that. Perfect slime.
Okay. Right now I'm going to do me versus slime. So the game me versus slime means I have to try to get my hands out of the slime. Here we go. First I have to put my hands in. Oh, that's... Got one hand out. Got it. Done. Now just one more thing. Oh, there we go.
Whoa, that's pretty cool,
I made a
right?
picture frame.
You made a picture frame. Can we try that again? Let's see.
Okay. Ready?
Wow. That's pretty cool
Oh,
slime.
come on, it's on my shirt. Okay, never mind.
That's pretty cool slime you made. Billy, what are you doing over here? You're playing with the Orbeez? Huh? What are you doing with the Orbeez?
Slime.
Oh, okay. What color is that you made with your slime?
I have a slime.
What color? Oh, but can you hear it? It's like ASMR.
What's ASMR?
You know those videos where it's like focused only on sound? Those satisfying sounds?
Oh, yeah, I've seen those before.
Yeah.
Thank you, William.
That's the end of the video.
One here.
I hope you like and subscribe for other videos like this one. Bye.
Billy, are you gonna say bye? No? Everybody wants you to say bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay.